Hello guys, and welcome to a GTA 5 mods video. Are you tired of the default GTA 5 gun sounds and the siren pack? Well, today guys, we will be changing those up. If this video is useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell for more videos in the future. But this is how you do it. And if you guys have downloaded the pack from online, which is in the description below, you should come to this right here. You'll have a DOJ Sirens and updated gun sounds. We want to open that up, and on the inside of that you will see DOJ Sirens updated gun sounds. We want to double click that, and you will see 4 different siren sounds as well as gun packs. But I think the gun packs are all the same. The one that I use the most is Touchmaster Delta V2 DOJ RP Siren. So what we want to do, we want to open up open 4. You want to have open 4 open up, so we're gonna just put that to the side and we're gonna open up open 4. That's what we want to do. Want to open this bad boy up, and this is going to be a simple process, guys. You want to, once you have this open up, put this over here to the side and have this right here, and we want to hit X64 audio sound effects, and this is the main part where we want to be looking at. As you see, it is 3,792 the weapons players, and we want to be looking at, and where's residence, and you can see the residence is at 110,000. Okay, so all we want to do is hit this edit mode, whatever siren pack that you want to use. We're gonna open up this Touchmaster because this the one I love. I'm gonna open that up, and we're gonna hit this edit mode over here on your open 4. Yes, and we want to highlight these 2, and we just want to drag and drop. As you see, the weapons player has changed to 7,449, and the residence is around the same thing. Okay, so we want to close that out, and you're done, guys. And that's it. That's all you had to do. And if you guys want to change to the Welling CHP siren, you just double click it, drag and drop, just simple as that. Whatever which ones you want to use according to your car pack. So we want to close this up, and we want to open up FiveM, or well, not FiveM, I'm sorry. You want to open up your Grand Theft Auto or whatever platform you will be playing this game on. Okay, now that we have loaded in, what we want to do is go to a gun. We're gonna get a gun right quick. Handgun. Quit with the pistol, let you guys hear it. And that sounds amazing, guys. I mean, straight off the bat, you can hear the ricochet. I mean, it just sounds so superb, guys. All right, we're gonna load in the car right quick. Okay, we got the state police here, so let's check out the siren. Oh my god, guys, do you hear that? I mean, that sound is superb, guys. It makes you want to get out there and patrol. So hopefully, guys, you enjoyed this video on how to install this mod. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comments below, and I will answer them accordingly how they come. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. May I have more mod videos in the future. Depends on if this one gets some views and stuff, and you guys are interested in this type of videos. But other than that, guys, I thank you guys for watching. So until next video.